What's up, everybody? Coming at you from the Norwegian Epic with 3 cruise ship tips. Alright, first, number 1, you will not be alone. Cruise ships are fun for everyone, so you're gonna have adults of all ages and also kids of all ages as well. So definitely count and plan on there being a lot of people around you. I know that sounds silly, but if you're looking for an exclusive, all by yourself, completely alone vacation, a cruise ship may not be the best place for you. That being said, if you are traveling on Norwegian Cruise Lines, the Epic Haven, or their other ships have a haven that is an exclusive area that is designated for travelers that really want to spend a little bit more money and want a little more privacy and have their own specific lounge areas as well. So I am coming at you from one of those lounge areas right now, where you will see there is absolutely nobody around me. So I have this nice view sitting out over Costa Maya right now. So you can absolutely find some form of privacy. It's just up to you how you want to make that work out. So tip number 2, make sure that you bring shorts that have some form of zipper pocket on them. You will always want to have a zipper pocket because anything that you carry on you could get lost. If you don't want to carry a backpack with, truthfully, you're not going to want to carry through all the ports unless you're like me and you're carrying a lot of things around. But you want to be light, you want to be free. That being said, you do need a couple of other things, which brings me to tip number 3. Never forget your room card. So whenever you leave your ship, you will need 2 things: a room card and an ID at a minimum. After that, you probably should bring your favorite form of credit card. Either a Visa or American Express would be super great for traveling. Certain card carriers will actually give you the rewards for traveling as well as give you some benefits for protection. I always use my American Express Gold card or my Chase Sapphire Preferred. I'll link down those 2 cards that I use for my traveling below in case those are something you want to look out, but definitely recommend either of those cards because they're easy to use wherever you go, and truthfully will give you a lot of bonus perks along with it. So that's it, guys. That's it. That's all 3 tips. So make sure that you click like if you like this video, click subscribe to get more videos coming at you from all over the Caribbean here, and check out my other videos on YouTube. Thanks so much.